The MARPOL Annex V, which came into force on December 31, 1988, embodies a significant commitment to marine environmental protection. This regulation serves as a pivotal shield against the pollution of our oceans by garbage emitted from ships. With an aim as profound as safeguarding the seas, Annex V applies to all vessels and floating platforms, emphasizing the shared responsibility of the shipping industry regardless of size or operation type. At the heart of Annex V lies the comprehensive definition of garbage. This includes a wide spectrum of waste such as food scraps, domestic refuse, operational debris, and particularly harmful plastics. By categorizing such a variety of waste, the regulation encompasses the numerous byproducts generated during daily maritime activities, effectively highlighting the urgent need for strict management practices on board. The prohibitions articulated in Annex V are rigorously straightforward yet essential. First and foremost, the discharge of plastics at sea is completely forbidden. This ban extends to various forms of synthetic materials, including ropes and fishing nets, which can pose severe threats to marine life. Additionally, food waste can only be disposed of beyond the 12 nautical mile limit, with specific conditions allowing for its regulation within closer proximity to land. While cargo residues may be permitted for disposal under certain circumstances, stringent guidelines dictate the manner of their discharge, prioritizing environmental safety above all. Other categories of garbage, including paper and glass, must be managed with equal caution, often requiring disposal at designated facilities ashore. These rules become even more stringent in special areas, designated regions where marine life is exceptionally vulnerable, where disposal is almost exclusively prohibited, underscoring the utmost commitment to preserving our oceans. A core element of compliance involves the establishment of a garbage management plan. This structured approach outlines necessary procedures for the collection, storage, processing, and disposal of waste on vessels. Furthermore, larger ships are mandated to maintain a garbage record book, providing a thorough account of garbage discharges. Placards that inform crews and passengers alike about garbage discharge rules are likewise required for vessels over 12 meters in length. The overarching principle driving these regulations is a simple yet powerful reminder: the sea is not a dumping ground. As MARPOL Annex V aims to eliminate plastic pollution and enforce control over all other garbage, its implementation is crucial for the ongoing health and sustainability of our marine environments. By adhering to these guidelines, we collectively contribute to a cleaner, healthier ocean for generations to come.